Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're using the Sony WI-C100 headset and feel like it takes too long to charge or the battery doesn't last as expected, you're not alone. Many users charge their headset without realizing that small habits like using the wrong cable, charging in poor conditions, or overcharging can affect efficiency. Since this headset is designed for long battery life, optimizing how you charge it can make a noticeable difference in both speed and performance. The best thing is that with a few simple adjustments, you can maximize charging efficiency and keep your headset performing at its best. Try these. 1. Use the original or high quality USB cable and adapter. 2. Plug into a stable power source. 3. Charge in a cool, dry environment. 4. Avoid letting the battery drop to 0% too often. 5. Unplug once fully charged to prevent overcharging stress. 6. Keep the charging port clean and free from dust.